How to delete activity on Cash App. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to learn how we can delete activity on Cash App, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, to delete activity on Cash App, let's say you might have sent and received money between two parties, and then now you want to delete those activities. Unfortunately, or fortunately, maybe you can't delete activities, and Cash App does this. Not only Cash App, any of the other payment application does this for your own protection, for your own security, to prevent fraud, so that people will not try to scam you and you don't fall victim to a certain scam. You might send money to someone, but after they delete the transaction or activity, they might say they didn't receive the money. That is why the transaction always needs to be there. And according to the law also, no payment applications are allowed to delete any sort of evidences of the exchanges between two platforms. No matter how old the account is, the transaction always needs to be there in place. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you in the next video.